NBN operates an enterprise-grade satellite network that provides coverage to 100% of Australia. The Flyaway kit is a portable terminal that can be shipped on an aircraft, put in the back of the truck, and provides organisations with the ability to turn on communications within a matter of minutes. It provides users with the ability to deploy and obtain connectivity where time is critical to the application.
So the Flyaway kits and the Drive-Away kits are a really amazing piece of kit effectively, and the possibilities for emergency services and communities from a disaster preparedness, response and recovery are just amazing. So NBN's all about providing communications, the digital backbone for our country, and having a satellite service available means that it's not impacted by fire, flooding, terrestrial events.
A broad range of organisations utilise the equipment. What we traditionally see is emergency services using them as they respond to a range of different events. I think they play a really important role in connecting communities, in particular in natural disasters. From a business perspective, they help organisations whose operations are itinerant to remain connected, to support their ongoing operations.
The key feature that we like to emphasise about the kits, whether it be the Flyaway or the Drive-Away, is the ease of use in terms of both setup and operation, in that they're auto-porting, so the operators do not have to be satellite skilled. The Drive-Away, once it's installed on the vehicle, is simply a push button or the use of a web GUI to actually deploy the satellite or even stow the satellite terminal. With the Flyaways, the main advantage is it is able to be transported via domestic passenger aircraft. So it's checkable luggage. It's a minimal setup skill and time required in order to provide a rapid deployment and connection to the NBN satellite via business satellite service.
These kits literally allow the community to connect in with the rest of the world, let their family members know they're okay for one, or for emergency services to actually coordinate a response as well. If the community as a whole and everybody within that, whether that be residents or local community groups through to businesses, small to medium businesses and even enterprises, if they have business continuity planning and a kit like this as part of their communications backup, then they'll be more resilient, they'll be able to respond better, they'll be able to recover better.